Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a turkey fan board using an easy method. First, gather your materials, including a suitable wooden board, your turkey fan, and strong adhesive. You'll also need a sharp utility knife for precise cuts. Ensure your turkey fan is clean and completely dry before you begin. This preparation is key for a lasting display. Let's get started on this simple project. Once you have your fan, carefully remove any remaining flesh or tissue from the base. This step is crucial for preventing odor and decay. Next, generously apply borax or non-iodized salt to the base of the fan. This acts as a preservative, ensuring your fan lasts for years. Allow the fan to dry completely for several days or even a week in a cool, dry place. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. With your fan fully dried and preserved, it's time to mount it. Position the fan on your wooden board, deciding on the best aesthetic placement. Apply a generous amount of strong adhesive, like epoxy or construction adhesive, to the back of the fan's base. Press the fan firmly onto the board, holding it in place for a few minutes to ensure a strong, lasting bond. You want it to be very secure. Now for the fun part, adding personal touches. Many hunters like to include the turkey's beard or leg spurs on the board. You can attach these using small screws or a strong, clear adhesive, positioning them below the fan. Consider adding a small engraved plaque with the hunt details or decorative trim around the board's edge. Make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.